do, just 180 the helicopter, then I'll time you again. I'll give you the go. Here's a quick tip, Sarah, right? Hold W, hold W straight away, and then engage, and you'll fly lower. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. And turn now. Yeah, you got a much better turn than I have. Too aggressive on the pullback. Yeah, your turns are beautiful compared to mine. I think Ken would be impressed with my time, 2:53. Left side, okay. Right side. Alright, that's okay. I'll forgive you on that one. Ooh, careful, careful. Stay above the ground, right? Give up. I'm going to forgive you on that one. You still kind of went the right way. Just thought this was the wrong side, but I will forgive you. Remember, right side ATC. Left side radar. You're doing a lot better this time, Sarah. You could actually crack the best time here. That was impressive. That was very impressive. Do you know what your time was? Yeah, I saw the turn. Do you know what the time? Do you know what your time was? Put it this way: you shaved 14 seconds off your time. 2 minutes 2 minutes 30. That is, that's only 7 seconds outside the fastest time I've ever seen. Fastest time being 2 minutes 23. That was very impressive. Very nice. 2 minutes 30. Do you know what let you down on your time? Doing the turn at the box. On the way back, you don't need to do a turn. You just need to stop in the box. So as long as you stop in the box, when you come back on the return journey, you did a turn. As long as you get in the box on the return journey, that's it. Yeah, but you don't need to turn. You just need to go through into the box. So as long as you land in the box, if you hadn't turned, you'd gone in the box, you probably would have shaved 5 seconds off your time. You could have 2 minutes 25. But that was very nice as well, Sarah. Let me just stop that one as well, because